Yeah, what's up everybody, Israel the Trader right here, and as you usually know, on Israel the Trader channel, we are all about unblocking the Forex secret. So yeah, so basically in this video we're going to discuss about understanding lot sizes today, based on the fact that a lot of people are kind of asking me, hey Israel, what the lot size I'm supposed to be using on this particular account, what the lot size I'm supposed to be kind of using on this particular account, because I see a lot of people on $100 account they use a standard lot size. So we have about three type of lot sizes. We have the micro lots, we have the mini lots, and we have the standard lot. So right here I'm going to discuss and break down from the first one to the third one, step by step, of how you can exactly understand the lot sizes, so that you know which lot size fit your account size, right? Based on the fact that your goal as a trader right here if you're trying to trade Forex, it is to protect your capital. Always remember this: protect your capital and don't ever give them back what you've gotten from the market. What I mean by that is, don't ever give them back your profit. Once you get profit, try to protect your profit and your capital as well, because you gotta think long term before you be able to survive in the Forex industry. So yeah, let's go to whiteboard, and so I can just break down how to understand the lot sizes and which lot size you're supposed to be using on your accounts. Okay, here we go on whiteboard, and right here it is where I'm going to be explaining the three type of lot sizes we have in Forex, right? So the first one is we have the micro lot. So we have the micro, we have the mini, and we have the standard. So these are the three type of lot size we have in the Forex market. So right here, we'll start with the micro lot, then we go down to mini lot, and we go down to the standard lot, right? So that's how we're going to be progressing, because it is very important for you to understand lot size as a Forex trader, right? So right here, I'm going to start with the micro lot. So this is the micro, and micro lot start from all the way from 0.01, 0.01, then 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05. So right here it is what we call as our micro lot. So under you can usually start from 0.01 on your $100 account. Bear this in mind. On $100 account, always start with 0.01 lot size, based on the fact that you got to know how much you're going to be making in dollars, or it depends on your account currency, per pip. So right here it is what we call the micro lots, and 0.01 it equals 0.1 cents per pip. So get this right, per pip. You get that right? So if you use 0.01 lot size, you're going to be making 0.1 cents per pip. So just always bear this in mind. So if the market makes a move of 30 pips, what I'm supposed to do is, let me try to do this like this. What I'm supposed to do is, you're supposed to multiply this number, this 0.1 cents, 0.1 cents, okay, 0.1, no, 0.01. 0.1 cents multiplied by 30 if you make 30 pips in the market, right? So as you can see, it's obvious that this is going to be equals to $3. So as you can see, if it is a stop loss, or if it is your take profit, definitely you'll be making $3 per 30 pips. So if you use 0.1 lot size, if the market moves 30 pips in your favor or against you, definitely you'll be making $3, or you'll be losing $3 if the market go against you, right? So right here it is what we call refer as our the micro lot. Always start with the 0.01 lot size on your $100 account, based on the fact that if you go down to a mini lot size, you kind of understand much better as we progress in the class, right? And also, if you are kind of seeing that the market is moving in your direction and you want to add more lot sizes, or there's something that we call compounding in the Forex market. So how do you compound your account? So for example, if the market is moving in your direction and you kind of like the move based on the fact that I always teach my students that before they compound their accounts, they have to see the market is actually moving in their direction. Now, how do you understand that the market is moving in your direction? There's candlestick patterns that we use, like Marabozu, engulfing candle, and things like that, right? So I got my laptop here, my desktop right here. I'm kind of monitoring my trade as well, because we are in GBP CHF and a lot of trades right now. So yeah, and if you are using 0.02 lot size, you'll be making 0.2 cents per pip. Always remember this, per pip. So right here, you'll be making 0.3 cents per pip. I'm sorry for cutting you short. Just a quick reminder, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we do share some kind of tips and tricks of how you can be profitable in the forex market as well. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you have any question, just DM me. I'll answer your question right away. So let's continue, guys, and thank you very much. We said that you'll be making 0.2 cents per pip, right? So what do I mean per pip is 1 pip. So that's per pip. 1 pip, it is what I refer as per pip, right? So let's say, for example, you're making 0.2 cents, and for each move that the market makes, you are making 0.2 cents. So for each pip that the market moves, you are making 0.2 cents for that move, right? So okay, let's go ahead and start with the 0.3, 0.4, 0.05. So these are the micro lot size that we have in the forex market, and always remember that you use it on your $100 account. Always on your $100 account, that's where you use these micro lots. Then let's go down to mini lot. As we progress, you become kind of understanding which type of lot sizes to use on your account, right? Okay, yeah, I get it. And this is what we call answer mini lots, right? So usually these start from the 0.1 lot size, going down to 0.2, going down to 0.3, going down to 0.4, going down to 0.5. So this is what we call the mini lots in the forex market. So right here, you'll be making $1 per pip, $1, $2, $3, $4, and $5. So all you'll be making it per pip, also per pip, all of this per your pip. So you'll be making about $1 if you use 0.1 lot size on your account. Then you'll be making $1 per pip per each move that the market makes. So let's take for example that the market moves 30 pips in your favor. So actually, if you use this 0.1 lot size, then you calculate $1 multiplied by 30. So 1 multiplied by 30 is going to give us about $30 as well. So you'll be making $30 if the market moves 30 pips in your favor, right? So yeah, these are kind of the breakdown of the lot sizes, and you kind of know which lot size to use on your account, right? So basically, if it is a mini lot, so you'll be using it on your $500 account at least. Let your account be 500 before you use this 0.1 to 0.5 lot size on your account. Always remember this. And for this particular move, 0.5, you'll be making about $5 per pip if the market moves either in your favor or against you. So $5, that's what you'll be making for this 0.5 lot size, right? So if you are kind of if this video is kind of making sense to you, please try and give it a thumbs up, so that because it encourages me to be making it more and more to you guys, right? So right here, it is what we call a mini lot size, right? So if you have any question, just try and write it down in the comment below, then I will try and see it so that I can answer your question, right? Yeah. And the third lot size that we have is what we call a standard lot. So what do I mean by standard lot? Let me try to explain it to you. standard. So we have standard, right? Then for this standard law, we have sorry, it start from the 1.0, then 2.00, 3.00, 4.00, 5.00. So this is what we call a standard lot size in the forex market. So right here you'll be making about $10 per pip, $20 per pip. Then right here you'll be making $30 per pip. Right here you'll be making $40 per pip. Right here you'll be making $50 per pip. All these moves is gonna be per pip, per pip, per pip. All of them. So bear in mind that each move that the market makes, you'll be either making $10 or losing $10. It depends on if the market moves in your favor or moves moves against you, right? So as you can see right here, for each one pip that you'll be making or you'll be losing in forex, you'll be making $10 for that particular move that the market makes. So right here we have the standard lot. So if you are using this standard lot size on your account, so I recommend you use it on your 1K account at least. What do I mean by 1K is $1,000. So at least use it on your $1,000 account based on the fact that you'll be making $10 per pip if the market moves in a direction or against you, right? And this one, kind of one lot, standard lot is still kind of much big for your $1,000 account based on the fact that I do teach my students that they should be risking 2 to 3% of their account size, 2 to 3% of their account size on each trade that they are getting in the forex market. So right here we are kind of trying to give you some examples of what to do, right? So let's say let's say for example that the market moves 20 pips or 30 pips in your favor, then basically you multiply 10 multiplied by 30 is going to give us about $300. So you'll be making 300 for each 30 pips move that the market makes in your favor or against you, right? So yeah, that's it about the standard lot size. Like I've said earlier on, that it's just kind of basic understanding of how you can be using lot sizes. And if you have any question, please try and write it down in the comment below. Also share this video with your friends and family, because they may find it very helpful, based on the fact that we kind of unblocking the forex secret with you, for you on our channel, right? So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, or Telegram, and whatsoever social media platform that we use, right? Yeah. So once more again, thank you very much for watching. I'm Israel the Trader. Thanks for watching. See you next time in our video.